I think it's time we went to the markets and looked at the finances of the nation. On the left-hand side of your screen, it's a split market. The Nasdaq's doing well, up 55 points. Leo Kelly with us this morning. Has there been any real impact from the situation in Russia on the markets, Leo?
No, I don't think so, Stuart. When you look at events like that in Russia, the question the market's always going to ask is there an economic impact? And the reality is there's just not. It's a political impact. It's a geopolitical impact, but it's not an economic impact.
Okay, we've just crossed into the second half of the year, 2023. I want to know how I'm going to make some real money in the next 6 months. You got any good ideas for me? Make them specific, please.
Yeah, I think the first good idea is have some cash on the sidelines. We've had a good year in the market up to this point. The Fed has been hitting the economy over the head with a hammer, trying to get inflation down. This game they're playing with let's pause and then go back up, I think is transparent. I still think there are some effects to come from the inverted yield curve, the banking issue, and the Fed's aggressive behavior. So what I would say to folks is rebalance, put a little extra cash on the sidelines, make your 4.5%, 5%, and get ready. The key is, once you do that, is when the market gives us the volatility that we expect in the second half, take advantage. Don't try to be perfect. Just put the money in as the market slides down.
Yeah, but if I'd have done that, I would have missed out on a very nice gain in the Nasdaq and big tech stocks in the first half of the year.
Well, again, Stuart, right, it's about taking profits as markets go up. And this is a good time to do it. That is the point. Also, Stuart, this is, while we want to make money in the next 6 months, the stock market is a long-term game. When you invest in stocks, you're signing a contract with the market that says, I'm playing this for the long term. And so if you could take profits with some overvalued stocks, move it to some more inexpensive areas, like small cap, like the international markets, which are very relatively favorably valued, and putting a little money in cash. And by the way, getting a rate of return, getting almost 5% on that cash while we wait for the opportunity. I think that's good.
Okay. If I miss out on a huge rally that's coming in the second half of this year, I'll blame you, Leo Kelly.